Hello students, so this video is the third class 8 third chapter, plastic and synthetic fibers. And now this next chapter is next point is that plastic. What do you mean by the plastic? Have you note to that plastic? Plastic is a substance which can be molded. Molded it means that melted. It means molded means melted. When a substance is molded and converted into desirable product, such as you desire, such as you want to make the chair, you want to make the mug, you want to make the pen, you want to make the marker, you want to make the mobile phone is etc plate etc, as you desire you convert the materials into the different kinds of shape is known as the plastic. Now definition is that a substance which can be easily molded. Easily molded means the substance which can be melted into the liquid way, liquid form, and convert into any shape is known as the plastic. For example, ethene, propane, benzene, and toluene. These are the monomers. These are monomers. When when these monomers can be repeated or polymerized, they can form a plastic. The repeating process of the monomer we form plastic. Now, the kinds of plastic. There are two types. First is thermocycling plastic. Second is thermoplastic. Thermoplastic or thermocycling plastic. As you know, thermo it's mean when you a substance when get it the convert when molted getting the temperature. It means thermo mean temperature. When a substance get the heat and convert into the liquid form is known as a thermo. And thermoplastic a plastic which can be repeated and can and convert into a different shape is known as the thermoplastic kinds of number 1 thermoplastic, number 2 thermostatic plastic. First ID thermoplastic. A plastic which a plastic which can be molded and reuse by giving temperature and converting the shape as you desire. The plastic which can be reused for a long time. reuse, such for example, this pen. This pen is a thermoplastic. Why this pen is a thermoplastic? Because it can be reused into the different shape, different form. For example, this pen molded by given temperature and convert into the toy. And then toy, when you did not want to the toy, then it can reform into the different shape. After, when the plastic into the get into the crystal form, get into the crystal form, that the substance it stay in a thermoplastic. Got it? For example, polyethylene, PVC, etc. Got it? Now next, thermosetting plastic. A plastic substance which once molded and cannot be reformed, we reuse or remolded again, is known as thermosetting plastic. For example, bakelite, melamine, etc. A plastic which cannot be reused in a future is known as the thermosetting plastic. For example, bakelite. Bakelite is the product of the plastic product which cannot be used again. For example, switch, your on of switch box is cannot be reformed. Reform, it's mean uh, they cannot uh, they cannot be reused again, and never convert into the different way, different shape or size. Can try next case. Of plastic. Number one, they are light in weight. In weight. They are cheap in cost. They are strong and long durable. They are resistance. They never react. React by weather, air, moist, etc. They never be react by chemical. There are some example of some character of the plastics. They are highlight in weight. When you observe, when this pen in a iron, this pen is made up by the iron object, then its weight is in a heavy form, and when it is a plastic form, then it is a light in weight. They are cheap in cost because plastics are cheaper. Next, they are stronger and long durable. They stay long time and never be react with the weather and moist and air, etc. They never be react by the chemical. So that's why all chemicals are stored in a plastic vessels, etc. They are poor conductor of heat and light. That's why we use the plastic object on the wire, on the electric appliance, etc. And also they are a poor conductor of the heat. That's why we wear plastic shoes, etc., rubber shoes, plastic vessels, etc., by protecting the temperature or thermal conductivity. What is now next is that some are common plastic and their use. Common plastic and their use. Number one, quality. When you polymerize by of the ethylene molecule, they form a polyethylene. By polymerization of ethylene molecules, they form polyethylene. It is a thermoplastic because it can mold it and reuse in a life. In life. It is used in making carpet, carry bag, tapes, etc. Electric wire, container, etc. Polythene may be used to making the carry bags, as you know very well, tapes, electric wire, container, etc. And next is that PVC. The full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. When by polymerization of vinyl chloride, it forms PVC. Got it? It is also a thermoplastic because it can be reused after wasting. Uses. It is used for making the pipe, sole, making pipe, water pipe. Alright. Tiffin, etc. Now, next topic is that polystyrene. By polymerization of pairing in monomer, it forms polystyrene. It is a thermoplastic. It is a transparent material. Uses. For making square article, etc. Now next is the Teflon. These are all the thermoplastic. Now next point is the thermosetting plastic. And their example, Teflon. By polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene molecule, it forms Teflon. It is a thermosetting plastic. Because it can never reuse again after molding. For example, use kitchenware, non-stick, cookware. Next is that these are the uses of the Teflon, and the tetrafluoroethylene can be polymerized by polymerization. By polymerization of the tetrafluoroethylene, they form a Teflon. Teflon is the thermosetting plastic because it can never use again after the molded. When you molded it, then it will burn and never be reform. Now next is that bakelite. Bakelite is a thermosetting plastic polymers which can never reform into the again. It is the thermosetting plastic and can never be again used. For example, for uses is switch, plug, etc. and melamine. It is also a thermosetting plastic. And used to make a kitchenware article. यूटेंसिल कह सकते हैं, now these are the kinds, all kinds of the thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Now next is that advantage and disadvantage, and what is the harmful effect of the advantage. It is long, durable, strong, easy to handle, it never be react by chemical, electricity, moist air, etc. It is a poor conductor. Of heat and light. They are the advantage, and that's why it is used in a widely scope. And some are the disadvantage. It produce harmful effect for our environment, such as air, water, land, pollution. It is the non-biodegradable substance and cannot be reused in after wasting. So it is a very harmful product for and so for our environment. So plastic are for using the plastic, we can follow the 4 RUs. First 4 R: reuse, reduce, recycle, reform, etc. And follow these 4 R and protect our earth for converting to the barren place. Okay, now this is the last and final video for this chapter, and follow or if you have any doubts in this video last video, then can contact to me, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay.